Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a good Sunday. This is just a quick project share of some boxes I've decorated and decoupaged, and these are actually made out of cigar boxes. I had bought some cigar boxes at our local swap meet last year or so. I think he was selling them for $1 a piece. Here's one, for example. It's not these are ones that I have not decorated yet. There's that one. And then I have two of these. And I actually kind of like these because on the bottom it has velvet. So that's kind of nice too. So here's what this one looks like. So I have two of these, and then I have this one here. But these are some of the boxes that I've decorated. So this one was a different one. It's rounded here, and I used some pretty paper here with this bicycle, and then I added some beads to give it a little bit more of a three-dimensional look to it. And I also put some yarn, some variegated yarn along the sides, and this particular yarn has some of these burgundy sequins on them, so that's kind of fun too. So this is the first side, and this is the back side. I haven't decorated it yet, but it has this pretty butterfly and postcard. So this is the side, and here on the bottom. And then what I did is I drilled a couple of holes because I was thinking of making it as a pocketbook, but it is for decoration. So I drilled some holes, and then I added this tool. And this is what it looks like when you open it up, but I haven't finished it yet. I do want to finish up the sides here. This is what the top of the inside of the box looks like, and I'm not sure if I want to leave that or if I want to cover this up too. I don't know, I guess it's kind of unique because it does show that this was a cigar box. And then this tool I had bought years ago. I actually used it as part of our wedding, so I've had this for about 13 years. These were the colors for my wedding. So that's this box here, and I do display it, you know, like that. But I just want to finish up the inside. Then the other one I did was, and that one was made with cardstock. This one is actually tissue paper. So this leopard print tissue paper decoupaged upon here. This is cardstock. So I just trimmed that portion of the cardstock that I wanted. I haven't finished up the inside, so that's just plain there. And this is the tissue paper going around the front here, and then cardstock here, and then on the bottom here is also cardstock. I really like this one here is kind of elegant looking, the way it shines. And then the back, just the tissue paper. So that's fun there too. And then the other one that I did is this one. I have these little pictures here. I like this. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says possible. So that's all with Audrey Hepburn. And again, cardstock here, and then I just decoupaged these pictures here on top. I trimmed this one with yarn, and again, the sides are all done here with cardstock, and this too, the bottom, the cardstock. And then when you open this one, I like it because I have that little surprise there with Audrey Hepburn with the pink bubble gum. And right now in here, I just have stored some soaps. And this one here, I painted it all black and have a little bit of that yarn going across the sides, and this tissue paper with some of that gold foil on it. I think you could see it there. Yeah, so this is just a quick little project share. So I'm going to be doing some more of these cigar boxes to decorate, and I was thinking in this one here for the bottom is maybe making it as a a little bit of a quilted bottom. So just taking some quilt batting and covering that up with some fabric and then gluing that down in here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe. And if you're not a subscriber, just hit that bell to receive future notifications of upcoming tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and take care, and I will see you in the next video.